In this video, we're going to quickly go over how you can request captions on your Canvas videos. Just a reminder that all videos must have captions according to accessibility laws from the DOJ. So the first place we will need to start is you go ahead and go into your Canvas course. Once you're in your Canvas course, we are going to go anywhere that has a rich content editor. So I'm going to go into a page. So if I had my welcome letter here and I had information and then I needed to add a video, I can go ahead and come to upload and record media. I'm going to select the media I already have. And I filmed this media in Snagit, so it didn't automatically come with captions. I'm going to go ahead and submit my media. Once my media is submitted, I'm going to go ahead and click on the box and select video options. I'm going to come down here and select under Caption Manager, Request. I'm going to choose my language. English is going to give you automatic captions after a few minutes. Other languages might take up to 24 hours. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit Request. Once I have selected my language, I can go ahead and hit Done. I'm going to review how to edit captions, but you do have this little help page on how to edit those captions. All right, now if I hit play on my video, I can see that I have captions. I am going to go ahead and extend so the video is large. I have my rolling captions over here. I'm going to come up to this kebab and hit Edit Transcript. Now that I've hit that, I can type wherever I need to as I'm listening and fix those captions as I go. Once I'm done, I scroll all the way to the bottom, just check, and then I can exit out and those captions will be saved. And that is how to request captions on videos you are uploading into Canvas that do not have captions.